Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to star a video in Google Drive, making it easier for you to access your important files. Starring files is a great way to keep your Google Drive organized, allowing you to find frequently used videos without any hassle. To get started, first open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, simply navigate to the Google Drive website. Once you're in the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, you need to find the video you want to star. This can be done by browsing through your folders or using the search bar at the top of the screen. When you locate the video, look for the three dots next to it. These dots represent additional options for that specific file. Now, click on those three dots. A menu will appear with several options related to that video. Among these options, you'll see Add to Starred. Click on this option, and just like that, your video is now starred. This action will help you quickly access this video in the future without having to search for it again. To view all your starred videos later, simply go back to the main menu on the left side of your Google Drive screen and click on Starred. Here you'll find all the files you've marked as starred, including the video you just added. This feature is especially useful if you have many files and need a streamlined way to access your most important content. In summary, starring a video in Google Drive is a simple yet effective way to enhance your productivity and organization. By following these steps, opening the app, finding your video, clicking on the three dots and selecting Add to Starred, you can ensure that your important videos are always just a click away. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now go ahead and star those videos for easy access later.